Liftoff will start in T-minus 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have ignition.
Sure. Imagine we're sitting in a cozy tavern, and someone starts sharing the history of beer. Beer has been around for thousands of years, and its story begins with the accidental fermentation of grains. Early civilizations discovered that grains, like barley, when left in a warm, wet environment, would ferment naturally and turn into a frothy, alcoholic drink. The Sumerians in ancient Mesopotamia, around 4,000 years ago, are often credited with brewing the first beer. They even had a goddess of beer, Ninkasi. Beer brewing spread across cultures and continents, with each region adding its own twist. The ancient Egyptians brewed beer as a staple of their diet, and by the Middle Ages, monasteries in Europe perfected brewing techniques, leading to the production of clearer, more refined beers. As time went on, brewing technology advanced, leading to the variety of beer styles we enjoy today. So what started as a happy accident has grown into a global tradition with countless flavors and brewing methods. This video is brought to you by Grievis Brewery. Like, subscribe and share.